How to choose the best Forex trading platform. When choosing a Forex platform, you need to realize what features your trading platform listed. There are downloadable and web-based platforms. If you are planning to trade from different computers, it is better if you choose the web platform. Using a web platform allows you to log in at any place with an internet access. Some trading platforms allow to install different software like robots, signals, etc. These add-ons may help you in your trading strategy. If you are not experienced enough at Forex trading and want to use additional software, be sure that your trading platform allows it. Many Forex platforms are coming with all needed instruments that may help newbie traders, signals, traders insight, etc. Most of the Forex platforms offer a big variety of currency pairs, commodities, CFDs, indices, etc. Also, you may get a lot of different trading tools and instruments, signals, financial calendar, moving average, pivot table, etc. Before starting trading, make sure that the Forex trading platform you have chosen has all necessary features that you need for your Forex trading. Choosing a trading platform is a very important step. Make sure you try this demo version before you start trading with your real money. Once you feel comfortable and confident using a trading platform, you can go for real money.